Cargill requested testing of a horizontal lifeline system that could be used for fall protection when a fixed system is not available. We conducted the test using a Capital Safety SafeLine system and several styles of lanyards. The dummy used was a 160-pound unit borrowed from a local utility. The objective was to have a system that could be installed by one person and provide fall protection when working on top of the railcar. Installation begins from one side of the railcar, working from the fixed ladder. The standard SafeLine system is equipped with a 6-foot tie-off adapter, but it was determined that a shorter length would be easier to use. Once the tie-off adapter is attached to the top rung of the ladder, the horizontal lifeline is attached to the D-ring. It might be easier to carry the system to the top of the car in the bag. The unit is then tossed over the side of the railcar to the ground. The installer then carries the horizontal lifeline to the other side of the car, and the attachment process is repeated. On this side, we switch to the strap that is only 3 feet in length to facilitate adjustment of the horizontal lifeline. This is the length I recommend for this application. Once installed and adjusted, the system is ready for use. In this simulation, my lanyard is equipped with the old non-ANSI approved gates. A 3,600-pound gate should be used in this application. To conduct the drop test, we utilized the fixed system as an anchor point for our winch. This allowed us to raise the dummy to simulate work from the platform. We use a 6-foot Force 2 lanyard. You may notice a kick-up of dust as the feet of the dummy hit the ground. But we did retension for the second drop. In the second drop, we used a Easy Stop 2 lanyard that was only 4 feet long. But we did retension the system. In the final drop, we utilized a Talon self-retracting lifeline. It appears there was some deflection in the catwalk during the drop. Encircled is the amount of activation of the shock absorber on the horizontal lifeline after 3 drops. In actual use, this system would need to be replaced after a fall occurs. The Force 2 is a lanyard attached to the dummy in the first drop. Visible is the activation of the shock absorber. Next is Easy Stop 2 used in the second drop. Notice the difference in activation with just a 4-foot drop. The Talon was used in the last drop. The broken red threads indicate impact forces. The white area shows minimum abrasion during fall arrest. It would appear the best lanyard for this application would be a 4 to 5 foot shock absorbing lanyard. Since the anchorage is at the worker's feet, a Force 2 should be the shock absorber utilized.